Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 770NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put the headphones in the pairing mode. You'll know it's in pairing mode when the light here is blinking blue, 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 okay? The headphones are currently off. Let me turn these on first. Press and hold that power button. Keep holding.
Power on.
It just said power on. Now what I want is a blue, oh, it just said connected, all right? But what I want is a blue blinking light. I don't have a blue blinking light here, and it said connected. That's because it's connected to a different device. It's actually connected to my iPhone. So if I wanted to put this in pairing mode, I have two options. I can go to my iPhone here, go to my Bluetooth settings, and remove or forget or unpair these headphones from my Bluetooth list. And once I do that, as soon as I do that on my iPhone, I'll get a blue blinking light here that indicates in pairing mode, okay? Now, if you don't want to disconnect from a different device, all you got to do is make sure it's turned on, and then just double tap the power button. 1, 2.
Pairing.
It just said pairing on the headphones, and now I get a blue blinking light. Now I can go ahead, go to my Sony TV here, and you want to go to your settings, Bluetooth settings. You can click on the settings button if you have it on your remote. If not, go to the home page, click on the home button. Once you're at the home page, you can navigate to the gear icon, the settings icon. So go up and then keep moving over to the right. Right there, and it says all settings right there. Let's go ahead and select that. From the left pane here, we're going to go all the way down to remotes and accessories. Right there, go ahead and select that. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Now we want to go down one to pair accessory. Now click OK to pair accessory. And see that line right there, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So these are still in the pairing mode, it's still blinking blue here. And just wait till it finds it, and you can see that it found it right away, the JBL Tune 770 on top. Make sure it's highlighted. Click on OK on the remote, it says pairing. 1 second, I think we should get a pairing request here. Oh, pairing request, make sure pair is highlighted. Click on OK on the remote, it says connecting, paired, and it just says connected up here, and you can see it down there as well. So we're now connected, ready to go. I can use the volume rockers here, and you can see it working on there. Now, if you had any issues pairing or connecting these JBLs, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.